This is Brian, the Grumman Guy in Texas, and this is my wrap-up video from Oshkosh 2026.
Short final for Oshkosh, runway 36, straight in.
Douglas 200 Bravo, Foxtrot, Oshkosh Tower, runway 36, right turn to the south is approved, clear for takeoff.
36, clear for takeoff, we'll make a radar southbound, 300 VF.
I arrived at Oshkosh the Wednesday before the show, right before that Canadian smoke shut down the field.
Canadian Gulf, Alpha, Whiskey, Foxtrot, where would you like to park?
I had no to FBO, Whiskey Fox.
Alpha, Whiskey, Foxtrot, Roger, you can make a right turn at Bravo 3, contact Grumman, thanks for your help, sir.
Right on Bravo 3 and over to ground, Alpha, Whiskey Fox, thank you.
9592 Lima, runway 36, equivalent wind calm, altimeter 3008, use cost of possible wake turbulence, departing DC3.
Actually, I see the DC3, clear to land, 36.
I came into Oshkosh before the show because I'm a volunteer. I work at the Lifetime Members Oasis and was helping to set them up before the show started.
Thousand 1002. Second notch flaps. Alright, back 70 knots. Oshkosh Tower, Sirius 132 Victor Alpha, Island 36, taxi to West Point.
Sirius 132 Victor Alpha, Roger, 45 miles on up to 36.
45 miles on 36, 32 Victor Alpha, thank you. Oshkosh ground, Grumman 19 lane off the 36 to north 40 parking, north 40 camping.
No, 19 Lima, just hold your position. I got aircraft coming southbound and pop up.
19 Lima, aircraft inside a hold position.
You're 19 Lima, you can make a right turn onto taxiway Papa. You're going to make a right turn on runway 5, just hold short of runway 13.
Right turn Papa, right turn 5, hold true to 13, and return to ground.
Inbound, Skyline, 5 seconds,
After landing safely at Oshkosh, I taxied up to the North 40, the camping area, and set up camp for a week and a half. You can find my short video on the Grummans that participated in the Cherokee's Oshkosh mass fly-in also on my YouTube channel. What follows next are some still shots of the airplanes I saw while I was roaming around the field at Oshkosh. There's some Oshkosh arrival audio that accompanies those photographs.
Short mile 36 left, clear land on or after yellow dot. T28, nice job, high speed through the end, follow the flaggers. Welcome up. Just over the 6 lane, section 10, 36 left, clear land on or after yellow dot. 6 left, yellow dot. Boeing 6 landed, get under control, left turn in the draft, follow the flaggers, welcome Oshkosh. Runway 36 left, clear land, straight. Clear land, 36 left, please.
Beach 36 right, Comanche 36 left.
Comanche turn final from the left base, got skinny runway 36 right. Dark east has clear land on or after red clear, but east is on the big runway, 36 left, clear land. Comanche land to the right, great job. Keep it airborne until the red's clear, then high speed taxi all the way through the end. Twin Beach, left turn, into the grass, and follow the flaggers, let's go. Great job, Comanche. High speed all the way through the end and follow the flaggers.
This year there was a Grumman Forum by John Sjaardema of XL Air. It's called Our Aging Grumman Fleet. Well, that's the way it works. Hey, John, Brian House Connect, how you doing? Good. You did an annual or a pre-buy for me a bunch of years ago, my Tiger, and you've done a lot of work on the Traveler I have now, so I appreciate you. I'm also the Grumman Guy in Texas now. Little tiny YouTube channel. So I just want to say thank you for giving the forum today. I know all the Grumman folks appreciate that. I'm going to have a quick blurb on my YouTube channel about that, but I want to thank you personally for everything you've done for me, for my plane, in terms, even when you're not working on my plane, I can call and ask you questions. I'm in Texas, so I go a lot to Fletcher, but between you guys and Fletcher, it's like this knowledge base is incredible. So stay healthy. Yeah. We need you in the fleet.
We're trying.
So thank you very much. I look forward to hearing your presentation.
Well, thank you. Appreciate those words. I really do.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. There's a few empty seats here and there for more people. If you guys walk in, I know I'm starting a little early, but I tend to be a little bit long, so we'll just get you going. Thank you so much for all of you guys attending again this year. I certainly would like to open it up for any questions that you might have as we go along.
Unfortunately, the Oshkosh rules say that you can't record the entire forum, so I didn't try to do that. However, I will tell you that the topics covered were front spinner bulkhead damage, pre-buys, logbook problems, unreported damage, wings without documented time, nose gear torque tubes, rudder pedal bars and springs, spar issues, fuel tank leaks, sloppy flaps, one of the advisory circulars, CE 0434, vertical spar, delamination of wings and tails. So if you're interested in that forum, hopefully you'll be able to get a copy of it. I'm with James, and James, tell us who you are and where you're from.
James Oakley, and I'm from Missouri City, which is a suburb of Houston, and I'm based out of Houston Southwest Airport with the Cheetah.
Excellent. James is here. He was here just a little bit before the Grumman Forum started. Spotted my hat, saw my video, and we got one of the two hats here. So, I understand you're on the Cheetah, right?
It's a Cheetah.
Good deal. What year is the Cheetah?
It's a 2076.
76. All right. So it's one of the later Cheetahs. Yes. Good. Excellent. Well, I appreciate it. Thanks very much for
well, thank you so
coming
much.
And
Thanks
for spotting me.
Appreciate it.
One of my tens of followers. Thank you.
Look forward to your video.
On Sunday after the show, I departed Oshkosh back towards Texas.
All right, this is Grumman Guy in Texas, Brian, getting ready to depart out of Oshkosh. Runway 27.
Low wing, runway 27, clear takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, so.
White, low wing, runway 27 on wing.
L39, possible for full length.
L39 expected. Low wing, runway 27, clear for takeoff. L39, back taxi approved, only 27 line up way.
Back taxi line up way 2739.
Live. Pitch to 90.
My lower wing just off the end. If you get offset about 20 degrees right, there'll be a jet departing behind you.
Stay below 1300.
L39, use caution for that previous margin low wing off the end, runway 27, quick takeoff.
Clear to go 27, watch for traffic, 39, thanks.
On the way home, I overnighted in Springdale, Arkansas at Summit Aviation. I highly recommend it. It's a great FBO. The final leg home had some coastal clouds that are typical for the Texas coastline with a safe arrival. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye now.